Hi, third graders. If you are watching this video, then you are done with journal page 107 and you and I are correcting it right now. If you are not done with it, please stop the video and pause it and go finish your math boxes and then finish it. Remember, to grow your brain, you have to do that. All right, use multiplication or division to complete these problems on your calculator. Third graders, you shouldn't need to use your calculator. Let's just figure them out. Remember, when you start with a small number and go to a big number, it's multiplication. When we start with a big number and we go to a smaller number, it's division, because you are sharing the things and making smaller groups. So we know that this one is dividing. So now we want to go through our three facts. 3 times what gets us to 24? If we don't know, we're going to start counting by threes. Now, third graders, I know that 3 times 5 is only 15. So I know I've counted by fives, I get to 15. And so I could just start counting at 5. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So look what I did. Here's times 5, times 6, times 7, times 8. I tried to work smarter, not harder. All right, so I knew I had to count by threes, but I already know that 3 times 5 is 15. So I already know that I've counted 3 5 times when I got to 15. 4 times what is 36? Well, this is going to have to be a big one. I know 4 times 10 is 40, so let's try 4 times 9. Use your 9 trick on your fingers and see if that's what it equals. Yes, times 9. Remember, it goes from small to big, so we know it's multiplication. Oh, this is my favorite one. Now look, it goes from big to small, so we know it's division. 6 times what is 36? This one rhymes. 6 times 6 is 36, so this one's divided by 6. Here are the numbers of 11 third graders that they spent doing their homework. What is the mode? Okay, I remember mode most often, the one that repeats the most often. So if we look up here, I see 45, 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, let's see. 25 is only once, so I know it's not that. All right, 60, I only see there once. No, it's not that. 40, I only see once too. So the one that repeats the most, is A, 45. All right, Travis jogged 20 minutes on Monday, 16 minutes on Tuesday, 14 minutes on both Thursday and Friday. Now I'm figuring out the total. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to count the tens first. So we got 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Now look here. 6 plus 4 makes another 10. So now we're up to 60. And I've already counted this one. This one's a 0, so I have just this 4. 60 plus 4 gives me 64. Go back up to the question, how many minutes? And so that is our unit. All right, I know I'm going out of order. That's me. I like out of order. 5, 5, 5-sided pentagon, any, deck. Deck means 10. That one is not a third grade one that you absolutely have to know, but this one is a third grade one you have to know, and this one. Octagon, think of octopus. An octopus has 8 legs or 8 arms, and so an octagon has 8 sides. 15 feet of ribbon, 3 feet in each yard. How many yards of ribbon do you have? Okay, so 15 feet of ribbon, 3 feet in each yard. How many yards do you have? So I think I might have this mixed up. Let me go. We have 15 feet of ribbon in all. There. Now, look at, I went back to the question. How many yards of ribbon? So that's where my question mark goes. So I'm thinking, how many times do I have to count by 3 to get to 15? Because this is 1 yard plus another 3, that's another yard. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus another yard, that would give us 9. 10, 11, 12, plus another yard gives us 15. So how many yards is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5 yards. Our number model for that, we had started with 15 feet. We divided them into the groups of 3 feet, and that gave us 5. All right, we're going up to the last one up here. So I'm just going to get this out of my way here. 20 dimes equals how much money? Well, if you don't know, you could count by tens 20 times. You could count by 10 20 times, or you could think 10 times 20. So here we'd go 1 times 2 equals 2, and then 2 of these, and that gives us $2. All right, 20 nickels. Well, we could count by fives 20 times, or we could go 5 times 20. 5 times 2 equals 10, and then add another 0. So we get $1. 20 quarters. This one's a little bit harder because 20 quarters, you are going to have 25 cents, okay? So if you have 20 quarters, well, think, how many quarters make $1? Okay, so yes, if you said 4, you are right. So 25 cents. So here's $1, okay? And that's 4. So how many times do you have to count by 4 to get to 20? 5 times, because 5 times 4 equals 20. So you would have $5. Okay, 10 quarters, 7 dimes. 7 dimes is going to give you 70 cents. 10 quarters. Well, if you had 4 quarters, if you had 8 quarters, that would be $2. 8, 9, 10. So you have $2 and you have 2 quarters left. So that would be 50 cents. So $2.50 plus your 70 cents. So 70, 80, 90, another dollar, $1.10, $1.20. So we get $3.20. All right, third graders, have a good day and practice your math facts.